Alright, now that the bottom bracket is installed, we're going to be installing the cranks. This one, this big boy right here. So this is the same one that I removed from this bike. And it's a square taper because we have a square tape bottom bracket. So right there, you can see the square. It's square. Now I clean it as much as I can. Not too worried about it. It's my beater, it's my commuter. This is my anything bike. This is for snow, gravel, road, mountain trails. Haven't used it on sand yet, but I've used it on slush and ice. So you just gotta push this in right here. Push that in and then tighten it. Now, what you want to do before doing anything is clean it. So I use Simple Green. I like Simple Green. Let's lubricate that. Boom, boom. And then you clean this part that we're going to install. That square hole right there. Now, people are like, all right, it's clean, plug it in. No. I live in the north. I live in Minnesota. So weather is a big factor. So we want to grease this. But I don't want to do that. Well, you can grease right here. Nobody's stopping you, and it will give you the same contact. So I put some grease in there. Just gonna make sure it's there. Okay, I'm happy with that. I got some grease here, and I'll just put it in there. Now you just make sure it's square, and you plug it in. Boom. Now we're not done yet. Now there's a cap. It's a threaded cap. You can see right here, it's a threaded cap. And I'll put some grease in that too. Now this is a hex head. This thread will go into the bottom bracket and it will compress this guy right here and keep it tight. That's an 8mm hex wrench. So we'll do that. And this is just a regular righty-tighty, lefty-loosey kind of stuff. Just hand tight it. Nothing too big about it. Now, what you want to do is you want to get a Allen head. Again, I like ratchets. You can use an Allen key. So this is an 8mm right here. Right there. And this is my ratchet. Oh, that's loose, and you want to get it tight. Now, you want to torque this, boys. This should be 40 Newton meters is what I would normally do. Get a torque wrench if you're not that used to it. So now, I'll just tighten that. Just do it slowly, no need to rush. So while you're doing this, it's pushing the crank to the bottom bracket. Now you feel for it. If you don't have a torque wrench, you feel for it. So that's good. It's about 40 Newton meters. And now we're going to do the next one, which is this. It's the same thing. You get your rag or paper towel, clean that hole with some degreaser, then dry it. Now we're gonna do it on the other side. Whoop. No, you can't see it. I'll just do it from here. And same concept, you put the grease on the square part of the bottom bracket, or here, and make sure that when you do this, you do it in 180 degrees. So if this one is pointing down, it's 6 o'clock position, you want to point at 12. And if you start with this, always go down like that because it's heavy. So now we're going to install it this way. Grease, 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 grease. Huzzah. Now, I got this guy. Same thing, 8mm, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just hand tied it. Get your wrench and go to town. Now, the tighter you do it, the less sound you hear. Oh, I just pinched myself. That's not fun. So now I'm looking for any wiggles, and I don't see any. And that is good. Now I'm listening for sounds. So you want to hold the frame and just spin it. One more. And nothing coming from here. So I'd say that's good. All right, we're done with that.